We're going to be discussing the connector assembly. We're going to be disassembling this unit. First, we'll begin by unscrewing the metal nut from the base of the connector, just like so. You'll be placing the metal nut on the correct compartment. Now, we're going to turn the head of the screw to remove the screws. I have unscrewed them halfway. I will flip the unit and continue unscrewing the first screw. Once it's fully out, you will place it in the correct compartment. Now we're going to be removing the second screw and placing it in the correct compartment. Now the base and the clamp are now disassembled, and you're going to place the base on the correct compartment and the clamp on the correct compartment. And that is the connector disassembled unit.